Open the top cover of the printer and put in the label paper. Fixed column peaks are fixed in place. Open the printer after the label is in place. The phone opens the tab software to edit the content. The first time you open a software content, enter MHT. No password is required. Edit the size of the label paper on the software. The size of the label paper should be the same as the size of the label paper actually put into the printer. Edit text content. Edit the text box properties to enlarge the font. Add one-dimensional barcode. One-dimensional barcode content editing. Add QR code. Edit QR code content. Insert logo brand image. Edit image size. The phone turns on Bluetooth and connects to the printer. Enter 4 zeros. After successful Bluetooth connection, enter the number of copies to print. Property to set the printing direction. Print again and wait for the label to print out. Replace bill printing mode and replace label paper with bill paper. The paper is placed in the printer and covered. The printer is turned on and can produce paper normally. Long press the menu key to enter menu mode. After entering menu mode, click menu key to select properties. Press the settings key to select switch. Click Save. Log into the mobile supermarket or similar software. Software is purchased separately. The software connects to the printer and prints.